On Wednesday, WADA said in a statement that it had been informed of a decision by the Swiss Federal Tribunal to uphold an application by Swung and to set aside the original February ruling. The Swiss Federal Tribunal's decision upholds a challenge against the chair of the CAS Panel and makes no comment on the substance of this case, WADA said in the statement. The Swiss court ruling appears to have swung on an objection by Swung's lawyers to the chairman of the three-judge panel, former Italian Foreign Minister Franco Frattini. The CAS found the three-time Olympic champion guilty in February of refusing to cooperate with sample collectors during a visit to his home in September 2018. Swung then turned to the SFT, his last court of appeal.